Welcome to SuiteMatrix IT Solutions, your go-to resource for all your NetSuite needs. Today, we will be showing you how to create amortization journal entries in NetSuite with ease and accuracy. Amortization is a common accounting practice used to allocate the cost of intangible assets over their useful life. With NetSuite, you can easily create amortization journal entries to record these expenses accurately. This feature helps you maintain proper financial records and adhere to accounting standards. As we can see, NetSuite provides a user-friendly interface for entering amortization journal entries. Simply input the necessary details, such as the asset being amortized, the amortization amount, the period covered, and amortization information. NetSuite will automatically calculate the amortization schedule for you, saving time and reducing errors. In this video, we'll guide you through creating amortization journal entries in NetSuite. Go to Lists, Accounting, Amortization Templates, and New. This will open the amortization template page. Enter mandatory fields like name. For my preference, I enter as pre-expenses and select the deferral account as 6,000 operating expenses. Select the contra account as 6,000 operating expenses. Set the amortization period to 12 months for a 1-year period. Amortization period referred to as determines how the cost is spread out over time in financial reports. Click Save. This action successfully saved the transaction. Navigate to Transactions Payables. Enter Bills. This will take you to the bill page. Select the vendor and location. Under the Account subtab, select 6,000 operating expenses. Enter the amount. Select the amortization schedule as pre-expenses. Set the amortization start and end date. Click Add and then Save. This action successfully saves the bill page. Verify the details. Go to Transactions, Financial. Create amortization journal entries. On the Create Amortization Journal Entries page, check the box for the previously created fields. Verify the details and click Create Journal Entries. This will take you to the Processed Schedules page. Click on the schedule of the entry. Once verifies the details created on an amortization templates and enter bills. Navigate to Lists, Accounting, Amortization Schedules. The new schedule will be listed here. Click View to see the results. We have successfully created the amortization journal entries. Creating amortization journal entries in NetSuite is straightforward with the assistance of SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. Stay tuned for our next video on advanced NetSuite features. See you next time.